This is a quick video about a classical mechanical grass cutter lawn mower. This is a mechanic version with a spinning blade, open spinning blade. The way it works is as you walk behind and push it forward, and the blade is spinning twice as fast as you walk at least. It cuts through the grass. About 2 times by passing on the same spot. The cutting height is adjustable. Usually you put on the highest first, and in the later steps lower if required. This version works best for small scale grass cutting as a good exercise. This grass cutter is very environmentally friendly, energy independent and weather resistant. Inside of the mechanism are gears that let the blade spin. It doesn't require any sharpening because there is no sharp edges. This blade, it just pushes the grass towards this and then cut anything that is in between. It cuts like scissors. Just pushing anything that's in between this and this blade, which is not a blade, it's just a metal piece. So let's see this in operation. Now you see the problem. Tall grass is possible but requires more runs. So this thing has benefits as well as negative sides. Works best for grass that's not higher than the wheels of the device. So, thank you for supporting the Creative Commons movement. Thank you for supporting nature. Thank you for cutting your grass for your grandmother. Have fun.